The steel sheet metal cutting machine normal has leveling shaft up 5 rollers and down 6 rollers for 1 to 3 mm thickness. And more thicker will need more leaving rollers. The steel leveling machine normal is with servo motor and hydraulic cutting system. The speed can up 20 to 25 meter per min. Metal leveling machines are becoming increasingly popular due to their superior cutting speed and quality of cut. However, it's important to note that the leveling machine metal is not the best tool for every project.